Check it out, guys. So it's about noon right now on the East Coast, and you guessed it, the stock market's all over the place. What else is new, right? We have the Russell down 0.2% as the Nasdaq's up 0.3%. We have the S&P at break even as the Dow's down about 0.2%, and we have the VIX down 0.6%. So yeah, we're going to break down the markets in this video. We're going to break down charts, what I'm doing in the markets, and of course, we'll talk about some stocks at the end of the video. So if you all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. It's free money, guys. Use that link down below. Open up an account, you get 1 free share, and if you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more free shares, totaling 5 stocks. And get this, if you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you want some free money, you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below, guys. And now let's dive into the video. So check it out. Again, all the indexes right now are all over the place, and the S&P 500, which was at break even about a couple minutes ago, is now starting to creep into the green. It's now up 0.1% back over 408, which is a really good sign for the bulls, considering 407, that was the high from the beginning of March, about a month ago. So the fact that we broke back over that point today, as of now, and in the middle of the day, that's a great sign for the bulls. And look at this. If I pull the 5-day up, you're going to notice yesterday's low was right around 405, 405.80, 406 roughly. And today, we actually took that low out. We hit 405.70, which is a slight, we slightly took the lows out, but we did take the lows out nonetheless, which isn't the best sign here for the bulls. But the fact now that we've rebounded, we're heading back towards the pre-market high, that is a good sign for the bulls. You guys can see here, this is really starting to rip on the 5-day, 5-minute. This is SPY that we're looking at here. It took the highs out from around 10:15 a.m., which were right around 407.30. Now we're going to the pre-market high, pre-market highs, which were right around 408, 408.30. That's probably where this will test any minute. And any minute at this point, right? So, yeah, if we do take out that 408 level, 408.50, let's say, I'll put my alert at 408.50, that's where SPY could start to break out, maybe back towards that 412 level, which you guys probably know, that was the high from 2-3 days ago, right? That was from 2 days ago. On Tuesday, we hit 412.75 in the pre-market. So right now, in the very short term, I'm looking at 408, 408.50, the intraday high from the pre-market today, and we'll see what happens at that point. If we break it, that's going to be great for the bulls, obviously. If we fail there and start going back to 407, and if we break 407 on the downside, well, that would not be good for the bulls at all. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And when it comes to Triple Q, let me pull this up. Triple Q right now is also ripping. This thing hit an intraday low of where was that? $313 roughly, and we clearly took the lows out from yesterday, which were roughly $314. So we took that low out, and now we're ripping. Look at this. We're breaking past the intraday high, the pre-market highs, which were right around 315, 16 roughly. Now we're pushing 317, and we're actually starting to head to, by the looks of it, we're starting to head to this key level right here. Let me draw this out. 317 to about 317.50. That was the low from the 3rd of this month, 3 days ago. That was on Monday. And from Tuesday, we bottomed at about 317.50. So that is now resistance because we broke under it. That was yesterday. Now we're going to be testing it again as a resistance. So if Triple Q could break past 318, I'll set my alert there right now. Mark is that we're above 318. That's where this could really start to turn around. Maybe start going back 320, 321, 322, which is where it was a couple of days ago. So that's a quick little rundown, guys, on SPY and Triple Q, kind of what I'm looking at as of now. And, of course, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you guys haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. It really helps me out overall in the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you guys as always. And let's see what else is worth mentioning here very quickly before we do wrap up the video. So by the looks of it, guys, look, The bulls are still in charge on the 4-hour chart on Triple Q. That's very obvious. We're starting to get buying pressure around the 50 SMA. We're starting to pop above 314, 15, which you guys probably know was the high from back in February. We failed at that level multiple times, time and time again. So we're starting to pop off that point. That's a really good sign here. And on SPY, let's see how this is looking like on the 4-hour chart. This is looking pretty decent as well, as long as it holds above 407, which it is as of now. We'll see how long that does end up lasting. Again, if we do break 407, 408, 412 is next, followed by probably around 415, 16, which was the high from back in February. So that's a quick little update on what's going on right now. It looks like the metals are pretty flat. Gold's down 0.5%. All right, it's pulling back a little bit here. Probably will come down maybe towards 2000, 2010 an ounce. And we have silver pretty much at break even. Let's take a look at silver here, guys, which, nothing much really to talk about here. It's still trading at about 25 bucks an ounce, which is a really good sign for the bulls overall that it's holding that level, and hopefully it does end up, pushing towards 30. That'd be a big breakout spot for silver. You guys can see that here on the 3-year chart. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Let's see what else is moving. AMC is moving, which I'll make a video on that later today. Alibaba's moving on the day, up 3%. Looks like Chinese stocks are doing fairly well again, at least this one here, Alibaba, guys, which you guys probably remember I called out this head and shoulders. It didn't play out. We broke out of the neckline, and now it looks like, again, we broke the neckline, got to 105. We cooled off for a couple of days, down to about 97, 98. Now we're starting to bounce back over 100 bucks, guys. This stock's up $3 on the day, up 3%. We're popping over that 50 SMA. Really good sign for the bulls here. This could be making a move towards 110, 15, maybe even higher. By the looks of it, maybe even higher. That's where this thing could be going. So Baba's looking good. Google's up on the day, which is always great. This is my biggest individual stock holding, if you guys didn't know that. Google's up 2.3% right now. It's at 107 bucks a share, and it looks like it's starting to break the highs up. It's starting to break the highs from about a week, 2 weeks ago, from the end of March, being around 106, 107. We're creeping out of that level now, guys. That's a good sign overall here on Google, and this is a textbook cup and handle. You guys see that probably, right? We have the cup right here, boom. Then we have the handle. Let's see what happens at about 108, 110. This will be a sticking point, but if Google could break out of that level, guys, get ready, because there could be a lot more upside from that point. So that's a quick little rundown on Google, the markets, and a couple of stocks here. Let's see what else is moving up today. Roblox is up a little bit. Let's do an update on that very quickly, which this one, we have an ascending triangle. It looks like we're testing the top right now, 46 bucks, 47 bucks. That's a breakout range here for or a breakout level for Roblox. If it does take that out, I'm telling you guys, low mid 50s is where this could be going if it really catches fire. So Roblox looks like it wants to catch fire at any minute now. And Pinterest, if I pull that up, is starting to do well as well. I mean, it's been doing well, but now it's starting to push towards 30 bucks, which could be coming any minute now. We're above the moving averages. We're heading, by the looks of it, towards the top of that channel. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right here. If you enjoyed it, of course, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money, which I'm actually doing a giveaway on that channel once we hit 1,000 subs. I'm going to be giving a random person $100, whether it's a Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, a check in the mail, whatever the heck you guys want. I'm going to be giving $100 once we hit 1,000 subs. So make sure to subscribe to Stas Talks Money, link down below. And don't forget to also get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, 12 stocks from Webull. Check out my Patreon if you guys are interested. All the details are down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching as always. Peace out.